Hey guys, Menchi here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I decided to make the track using the samples from this contest. Yeah, this remix contest by Label Radar and Loop Cloud and Beatport Studio actually. By the way, it's something like the team by Hugel will review all remixes and you can win prizes worth over $1,000 equipment, not equipment, but I mean maybe plugins or something like that. Sorry. Yeah, you should use these packs by Single Makers and IQ Samples. Guys provided these sample packs. Actually, it's something like compilation of different sounds from Single Makers and IQ Samples, basses, loops, vocals, etc. And you should use only these two packs. I'll show you. Duration must be from minute to 3 minutes, something like that. You have something like 9 days. Actually, I recorded this video a day before the video will be released on my YouTube channel. You have 8 days, something like that. It's something like from June 1. This video will be released by June 1, 2025. And what I made, I downloaded stems. So let me show you what stems they provided. They provided these two packs by AccuSample Single Makers. If you see, these packs are different and they make something like, I don't know if they made it randomly or they choose samples, I don't know, but it sounds like that. And I decided to use these samples to make this track. So let me show you this track and I'll explain what I made here. So it sounds like that. The second part sounds almost the same, and I decided to stop the track right here on the 3 minutes, right? 3 minutes as a rule in this contest. So let me show you what I used here. There are just two kicks in these two folders. I decided to make something like that. I use this kick like a main kick, and this kick like something like a layer. Actually, it sounds like that. I decided to cut low frequencies, and it sounds like on like a top. Yeah. Also, I like these shakers. Also, I decided to use this loop. Here I wanted to make something like these claps. It's just a one shot. I made something like a loop. Here we have this one. And I decided to use this snare. It's also from the pack. And we have open head. So the rhythm section sounds like that. Of course, I decided to make variations. We don't have a lot of percussion here. Something like we have a lot of drums on the main drops, here and here, something like that. So we have this part in the breakdown. I decided to also to filter it, something like that. Let me show you. Camel Crusher here, it's something like a plugin to make the sound more massive, more louder, but we need this one. It's something like that. Actually, it sounds like that. There are a lot of low frequencies in this loop. I decided to make it filtered, and I decided to make like that. We have also this one shot of bongo. I decided to make trioles. Also, I used this first kick of this bongo and make like that. It sounds more massive with this layer. So we have something like bongo. I decided to use a lot of reverb here. It sounds actually like that. And I decided to make just one shot here. We have also this crash or shaker, I don't know. Actually, it sounds like a tambourine. Also, I used a lot of reverb here. Yeah, we have this drum fill, also filtered. But here we have not filtered. This sounds as it is, with low frequencies. So we have this loop here. Actually, it sounds like that. It's mono, and I decided to to cut low frequencies and make it wider and add delay and reverb. Now it sounds like that. Also, we have a snare. I decided to make a snare roll using this snare. Something like that, and I used a bit of reverb. We have this ARP. I used it to make more tension here. Something like we have not only these snares, we have ARP. Yeah, we have this down lifter. Something like that. We have impact, and this loop. I really like how it sounds now. Actually, it sounds like that. And I decided to make cuts like that. As you see, I just use this part. I just use this part. We have actually something like that. I decided to use just small part of this sound to make it it sounds like arpeggio or something. And as you see, this loop has a delay in it. And I decided to use this part. It sounds like a ping pong delayed arpeggio. I really like how it sounds now, and it's really sounds massive here. Yeah, really sounds cool. We have this synth. Also, the main thing here, all the loops pitched, as you see. I decided to pitch it. Let me explain why. We have this piano. I decided to make it as a main piano, as a main key of this track. It's F sharp. Yeah, and I decided to make a bass. I used one shot from this pack and use crossfade to make these notes longer. Don't see these keys because we have this tone like G. In default it sounds on this note, and that's why I decided to use it on this note, because we have F sharp, one semitone down, something like that. Yeah, I just use it like mid bass here. Yeah, and here we have a sub bass. I decided to add sub bass. I know it's not in the rule of this contest, but I will not participate. It's just I decided to add it because who will know? Yeah, who will know what I use here? But sub bass is really important. That's why I decided to use the same notes. I could make something like that. But actually I don't like how it sounds in the sub frequencies. I decided to use a separate sub bass. It's just one instrument that out of this contest. So I decided to use this vocal. If you hear, there are a lot of delay reverb here. Also, I use this flute. So we have 3 copies of this main flute. We have here something like a major tone, but I decided to use these notes, these one shots, something like that, on other tones, as you see, and that's why it sounds like a melody now. Yeah. I decided to use this loop to make something like a melody or flute, and it sounds like a part of creativity because I really like how it sounds. So let me show you vocals. Sounds like that, and we have the main vocals here. I decided to make a lot of delay reverb, of course, because it's basically it's dry. Also, I decided to use this loop. something like that. We have down effects. We have this pad. Actually, it's a part of the pad because this loop has a chord progression in it. I decided to use just a part. Something like that. So we have here something like a swell. Also, I used a lot of reverb and delay to make it more atmosphere. That's what I have in this track, and I don't know if I want to participate in this contest. Maybe I'll upload my version just I don't know, just for the competition. I don't know. Let me know what do you think about this version, because I listened to some versions of this contest. There are a lot of different sounds. Some guys used different vocals out from this contest. Of course, it's prohibited by the rules if we see the rules. And I don't know, maybe actually it's not my business, but maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll upload my version there. Anyway, let me know what do you think, and I'll upload this project to my Boosty and Patreon, the same content there, both services use the same content. Just choose your preferred platform to download this project. Maybe you want to see what I use on my channels, on master, etc. Feel free to use the links in description. This contest looks like that. By the way, it has 149 entries. You can listen to them. Actually you can't listen all the entires, I guess. Yeah, just a few entires, just to listen, maybe make an inspiration here, I don't know. But you can check maybe some guys here to listen to their tracks, I don't know. So Menchi was here. Bye bye guys.